Hey, well guys, now the lots of bird. Maybe they are flying somewhere and look, wow, what a beautiful nose. What they are doing, man? What they are doing? Oh man, fabulous. Oh, the lots of food. I think somebody throwing the food and they're enjoying. Hey, you can see the what's that's ये बतख है, ये बतख. ये आ रहा है. ले. Wow, lovely. Oh, drinking water. Good, man. Yes, flying. Lot of bird in Stavanger, Norway. Beautiful place. Oh, the gentleman having some chocolate. I think the birds break. Oh yeah. I'm taking picture with batak. Don't worry. Mr. Ravi is saying to me, take the picture. Okay, lovely batak, man. It's very nice. You love this one?